I left teaching almost 11 years ago now, and I created a really cool course for children to help boost their confidence, increase resilience, reduce anxiety. And 4 years ago now, I've actually created a course for teachers that want to learn to do what I do. So I'm going to London and I'm going to be recording in a really cool podcast studio some content to show teachers step by step exactly what I did all those years ago to help them create a successful life coaching business for children. Let's go.
You know what? I genuinely thought that teaching is something I've always wanted to do. You know, when I was at school, I always wanted to be a PE teacher in the town that I lived, but it turns out that actually it wasn't the best idea in the world. Why? Geez Louise, because 54 hours a week, only getting paid 37. Oh, the admin. Anyway, enough of that. I did a little bit of work and then I met up with this chap who wants to learn how to life coach for kids, so I delivered that on the train. There he is again. He's an absolute legend. He really wants to break out of education. His story's crazy.
Whole hour on the train, 2 cups of coffee, all the toilets out of order. My bladder, got a wee baby.
All I wanted to do was just put my skills to good use, you know. Imagine 12 years in the education system and then just leaving without doing anything with them.
I have made it to Brixton, where I'm going to go to a studio to record more content for the amazing teachers that are transitioning into life coaching children. I'm a bit nervous of holding my phone out like this. Like, I'm in London. Would someone just snatch it off me in Brixton? Am I just being a little bit oversensitive or what? I'm just looking around. There's no cyclists. I think I'm safe. I think I'm good. Anyway, I'll see you in the podcast studio.
I've been speaking with so many teachers these days about how they can break out the education system because they feel as if they're raising other people's kids and not their own kids. It's absolutely wild. Podcast recording studio. I'm in the podcast recording studio area. All the way down here. Not really sure where I'm going. This be a map. I feel like I'm in the back rooms in the Matrix. I feel like I'm there. Dog leg, apparently. Got to look for a dog leg. What's a dog leg? Why do they call it a dog leg? Shooting 2. Oh, shooting 2 looks good. There's something happening in there. Can't go in there. We're here. Let's rock and roll. Hello.
Hi, Charlie.
How you doing? Am I out here? Am I in the right place?
Yeah, are you Charlie?
No, I'm Dale, but Charlie's coming.
Charlie's coming.
Charlie's
yes,
coming.
Of course.
I'm a little bit early. Sorry.
Yeah,
This is Maria. Everybody, we're doing some recording.
Hi.
There she is. I love that. I'm going to do that more often. I'm going to kiss the camera. That's what I'm going to do.
Well, it's a big trend now, no?
Yeah, no. Yeah. Is that a trend now?
Yes.
How do we do it? So, to be fair,
Peter's mommy.
you were what?
Peter's mommy.
Peter's mummy. Okay. I'll be the brother. Thank you.
No, not Peter.
Oh, yeah, for real?
Peter's mommy-in-law.
Peter's mother-in-law. Oh, okay. Okay. Mummy. Wait, where are you from, Maria?
I'm Italian.
You're Italian. Oh, mi chiamo Dale. Come stai?
Ah,
Is that good? Bene?
bene. Molto
Bene. You've been here for a long time?
35 years.
35 years.
So, James.
Almost as old as me.
This is for you.
That's James. So I've made it into the podcast studio. How cool is this look? It's so awesome.
This is beautiful.
It's beautiful.
Absolutely beautiful.
Yeah. This is my main lady. She's going to shoot off though. You've got a halo over your head, Maria. Look.
Sorry?
You've got a halo on your head.
Hello, yes,
Yeah.
always. Story of
Oh,
my life.
Look at this. Look at that big light. That's cool. So awesome. So awesome. So I think obviously Alice and I are going to sit here and here. We're going to switch it around. There's going to be little video recordings of just me talking. There's going to be just video recordings of just Alice talking. There's going to be both of us. And yeah, we're going to get something. I didn't know that was there, but we're going to get something on that screen. I reckon that'll be really cool. But I'm excited. So nice little backdrop just here, as you can see. So there's going to be 2 places. We'll record here, record there, and record there. It's really, really good. And Marie's the only lady I've ever met in my entire life that looks cool wearing 2 pairs of glasses. 2 pairs of glasses just there. She is cool.
Super cool.
Super cool. See where they are. She's blind as a bat. Where is she? There she is. There she is. What's going on, Roger? in! Ah, how you doing? You okay? I am so fortunate. This is not. This is Charlie
going to say
playing with his hair.
You can't get away with anything.
action. There we go. No banging on that.
Hi!
Just about to start recording. I might actually do a little YouTube video or something.
Okay,
That's Alice,
here I am.
legend. Me, Charlie, cameras, light. Yeah, you know,
Happening, it's happening.
it's happening. It's
It's
happening.
happening.
Teacher C project, take one. I've just been chatting to Alice just here, who's on the floor doing her makeup, which she doesn't need to do, by the way. Do you?
Naturally beautiful.
Naturally beautiful. And we're just saying as well that, like this, sitting down in front of a camera, do you reckon we would have been scared like ages ago?
Oh, 100%.
Yeah.
100%. If I was a teacher doing this, I'd think it was mental.
Yeah.
But yeah, easy, innit?
Yeah, but now it's a piece of cake because we do it so much and we just enjoy it. We're very good at it, so it's just flows nicely.
So much fun.
We've had to have a t-shirt change as well because we've got, oh my word, about 15 more lessons to teach. So we have to there you go. Have to change that t-shirt. That's a little hack, by the way, as well. So if you're doing content creation, bring 3 or 4 different t-shirts that you can wear and have different angles, just so it looks like you're creating lots of different content, and it keeps the audience, you know. Gotta do some of that.
Yeah.
Keeps the audience engaged. Yes. Bye.
Bye. I feel like this is my calling.
I feel like, yeah,
18 steps. Take
Yeah.
1.
that's great.
We've done it. We've finished recording. She was a legend. What was it? Literally 5 hours straight of recording.
Starving, hungry.
5 hours. We're both hungry.
Starving.
We need some food. We deserve it.
Yes, we do.
Peace.